Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I wanted to share with you a fall decorate with me. So here I'm just working on a tray I have on my coffee table. I've got these sort of crackle mercury glass type pumpkins. I got them from Michael's and I'm using those on here, as well as a jug from IKEA with some faux florals in it. I tried to use these acorns as well, but it just wasn't working out. So I moved on to some scatter that I picked up on clearance last year from Pier 1. It's just full of sort of fall leaves and pie cones and some apples and some berries, and just filled in the blank space around the pumpkins with that. And I really love how it turned out. These pumpkins actually light up. They've got like the fake candles inside them, so they look really nice and they provide a nice ambience in the evenings when we're sitting in here. Next, moving on to our rather large TV unit. I like to decorate this kind of like it's a mantle. So I showed you how it looked before, and I've just removed the cacti and the candles, and I'm placing some pumpkin groupings on each side. So the big B pumpkin I got from Kirkland's, and I should say that my married name starts with a B, so that's why there's a pumpkin with a B on it and not an M for Morris. And then I picked up these pumpkins across a few different places. The bigger one is from Pier 1, and then the smaller ones are from Kirkland's and Pier 1 as well, I think. And then this white one I'm placing in is from Big Lots. And then I'm just working on the other side. So I'm placing this welcome to our patch sign on the right to create some balance with that really big pumpkin that's on the other side. And then same again, just the bigger pumpkins. I'm working sort of from biggest to smallest. I find that that's the best way for me to create balance, and I try to spread the bigger items out so that things don't look uneven. And then I just go in and fill in with the smaller items, and I just play around with things and shift things honestly by centimeters at a time, just until I'm happy with them. So this is how it turned out. I think it looks really cute and fall-like, but not too over the top, and it doesn't block the TV, which is a major issue for my husband if I put anything on here that might block the TV. Next, I'm moving on to this dough bowl that I keep in the dining room. You probably saw me decorate this in spring. So I've removed all of the spring items, and I'm just placing some raffia in to look a little like hay, I guess. And then I'm finally using these acorns in here. The raffia helps sort of hold the candles and those heavy acorns in place. And then I'm using some more scatter. Again, I picked this up on clearance from Pier 1 last year. I think this was $2 for the box. And it's got some little pumpkins and acorns and pine cones in it. And then I felt like it needed a bit of a pop of color, so I ripped apart a stem of florals I had into smaller pieces, and I'm just sort of placing these in and around. And honestly, I played with it until I was happy with it. Probably played with this thing for 15-20 minutes, but I'm really happy with how it turned out, and it really adds a pop of fall to our dining room. So thanks for watching this quick little fall decorate with me video. I will be sharing a fall house tour in a couple of weeks' time, so stay tuned for that. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!